Students, good morning. Today we are going to discuss again class 10th science book, chapter 1st, food and human health, and today's topic is obesity, and second is blood pressure. Once again, today we are going to discuss again class 10th science book, chapter 1st, food and human health, and today's topic is obesity, and second is blood pressure. First of all, first topic is obesity. First of all, simple means or definition of obesity is when the body weight %20 excess from normal condition is called obesity. Once again, when the body weight 20% excess from the normal condition is called obesity. Next, obesity means when excessive body fat deposits in human body, it is called obesity. Next, BMI, it is a part of obesity. First of all, full form of BMI is body mass index. Students, proper learn full form of BMI, body mass index. BMI, it is a part of index. BMI is, once again, BMI is the ratio of human weight and height. Once again, BMI it means body mass index. BMI, it is a ratio of human weight and human height. Next, when the BMI is between 25 to 30 kg per meter square, it is pre-obesity stage. Once again, if or when the BMI is between 25 to 30 kg per meter square, it is pre-obesity stage. And when the BMI is over 30 kg per meter square, then it is obesity. So BMI is completed. First, it is a ratio of human body and human body height and weight. Second, when BMI is 25 to 30 is pre-obesity, and over 30 is obesity stage. Next, disease. Disease from or by obesity. Once again, disease from obesity, disease by obesity. First is diabetes, mellitus, second is heart disease or cardiac disease. Next is many type of cancer, like skin cancer is melanoma, connective tissue cancer is sarcoma. Next, sleep apnea, they are disease when the human get obesity. First, once again, disease from obesity, disease by obesity is diabetes, heart disease, many type of cancer, and sleep apnea. When human in resting stage, so human do not or cannot proper breathing, it is called sleep apnea. Next is regions of obesity. In present time, many regions of obesity. First is lifestyle. Students, in modern time, in present time, human's lifestyle is fast. It means fast lifestyle. Second is eating high fatty food. Next is junk food. Junk food, it means oily food. Next is junk and synthetic food. Next is less exercise. And next is without proper physical work. So they are regions of obesity. First is lifestyle, next eating high fatty food, junk food and synthetic food, less exercise, and next without proper physical work. And second topic is blood pressure. Blood pressure, it is also known BP. First letter of blood word is B, first letter of pressure word is P, so it is called BP. First of all, introduction of blood pressure is the first time defined BP by Copeland scientist. Copeland. Next, first time measured BP by Stephen Hales. Stephen Hales in 1733. Once again, first time measured by BP Stephen Hales. Students remember Stephen Hales. Stephen Hales measured BP once again. Next is definition of BP. It means blood pressure. Students, I draw a figure of blood vessels. It means human have to have many tube-like structures. First is I draw a figure of blood vessels. Inside blood vessels, blood, it means blood flow in blood vessels. Mostly humans, three type blood vessels: artery, veins and capillaries. Artery to have pure blood, vein to have impure blood, capillaries proper bind to artery and vein. Next, when blood flow in blood vessels, so blood exerted a specific pressure on blood vessels, it is called BP or blood pressure. So definition is pressure exerted on the walls of the blood vessels by blood it is called blood pressure or BP. Next, measurement instrument of BP is SPI manometer. Once again, measurement instrument of blood pressure, it means BP is SPI manometer. Next is normal human BP or blood pressure is 120/80 mm of Hg. 120 mm of Hg, it is systolic pressure. Once again, it is systolic pressure. When heart contract and pumps blood in arteries. First, next is 80 mm of Hg. It is diastolic. It is diastolic pressure. When heart speed and to take blood from veins Next is when BP is 120 upon 80, above 120 upon 80, it is called high BP, high blood pressure. Some specific reason in modern time of high blood pressure is: first is stress, first is next is oil, ghee, pickle, next is sugar, alcohol, next is tea, meat, and or many reasons of high blood pressure. Smoking. Next is when BP is less from 120 upon 80, it is called low blood pressure. Low blood pressure. Specific reason is many reasons. First is do not take nutrient food. Second, other many reasons like biotic activity of human. Students, remember, in low blood pressure, human cell, tissue and organ do not get proper oxygen, so heart, liver, kidney and brain failure from low blood pressure. Next is diagnosis of high BP. It means high blood pressure. First is yoga, meditation, next is exercise, next is walking for 30 minutes is the best exercise. Next is smoking, and drinking alcohol should be avoided. So there are some specific diagnosis of high BP. Yoga, exercise, walking for 30 minutes is best exercise. Smoking and drinking alcohol should be avoided. And next, to take green vegetables, to take green fruits, fresh fruits, to take calcium food, to take potassium food, and some other diagnosis of high BP. So thanks, have a nice